Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very sensitive and important case. The body cam video footage you see on your screen was recorded on August 22nd, 2019. This video is related to a fatal shooting incident carried out by the Albuquerque Police Department. Let's find out why and with what purpose this video was recorded and uncover the complete truth behind it.
Suck, but let's put ourselves out on the sidewalk so we get the traffic out of our back.
You want to advise them that we're going to be stepping up? We have to push it.
And if I see we're going to be stepping up with 700 here, and we have to push that way.
Just try it as quick as you can.
Okay, you're still 10-3.
Subject! Both hands up in the air, show them clear. Put your hands in the air, do it now. You need to keep those hands in the air. Keep your hands where we can see them. Lay on your stomach.
Keep your hands away from your waistband.
What he's doing is machine guns.
Lay on your stomach, or force will be used against you.
Right under his belly button.
Fuck you. Shoot me then.
Yeah.
Lay on your stomach.
He has it in his
Keep your hands up.
If you put your hands towards your waistband, force will be used against
What
you.
you guys doing?
Lay on your stomach.
Fuck you. Go fuck yourself.
Lay down.
Do it up.
Shots fired.
10-4, shots fired.
Alright. Ready? I got contact.
728, we will be stepping up, place them on custody. We're going to need any additional field units.
Yep.
Make sure all of you.
So friends, that was the complete information regarding this body cam video and the incident surrounding it. What are your thoughts on police actions in serious incidents like this? Let us know in the comments section below. If you found this video and information helpful, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.